Now, Collab Pro is in the house.
That's right.
Well, before y'all go ahead and walk. Hopefully we got a little light here. It's like I said, it's New Year's. But it's not quite. Now, you know, we have this camera going. You know, you just act normal now. I'm just saying, this is reality TV. Man, this is called being faithful where you are. Oh, they are in corporate prayer.
Yes, ma'am. How you doing?
Oh, how you doing?
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
And then we're gonna go up, they're gonna sing a song, and then after they sing a song for opportunity for prosperity.
We're gonna need to get a White House thing. I ain't been doing these. I don't see that, so.
Wow.
That's how it is sometimes, you know.
Yeah.
Now your backup sound man, so you gotta get the man. I don't know if you can see him.
No, let's check it out.
Let's check it out. See that man right there?
Who's that?
See that's the head. That's the head guy over there.
That's the H. Yeah. Wait, yeah, it's an H right there.
Yeah, the
That's
HIC.
Yeah. All right.
He's gonna be helping us out for a minute.
Right there, since you got incriminating everything.
See, we're in church right now.
Yeah.
You know, you feel it.
I put it like this. I put it like this. The HBIC, the head brother in charge.
Oh, because I was about to say, that big, you know, hey, man. Taking the camera.
We gonna stay safe as we walk on through here. That's my man Fred Dawson. He's gonna help us out. All right.
You saved this shit, man. For real.
We're gonna try to bring him in.
Christian business, born again 2010.
Woo! Oh, that's born again 2010. That's what we gonna do,
We're
man.
gonna bring 1,000 souls up in here.
Hey,
For real.
1,000 Soul Collab Pro. You know, I had some skills. So. All right. So we you don't have your sound. Well, we
Well, you know, we got the sound running. You know, got the sound person, somebody who's gonna push the button needed.
Right.
You know, and it's gonna be a blessing.
It is, man.
Good blessing.
Yeah, that's cool. I hadn't even heard the intro, so it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, the intro. I heard the intro.
It's nice.
It's nice. It's nice.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna have to be up all my game.
Oh,
Because it's kind of cut.
yeah.
And then, you know, in the other one, it's kind of a nice long pause, like a nice stretch, and then now I gotta remember everything. But luckily, I got it ready in my head where to start at. So, you know.
Hey, it's in your spirit, man. It's in your spirit.
Like you said, it's in my spirit.
Yeah, for sure. Here comes the other portion of Collab Pro, I guess.
Voices, the singers, the boss lady, and the boss's daughter.
See, we're walking like babies. We probably gonna have to edit this because I'm working on my camera angles.
All of it.
We just getting enough footage. We have to edit it later on.
Oh yeah, you singing.
Well, how does that song go? I got a brand new dance. If you don't know how to do it, you can check it on our YouTube page. Okay.
Look at that. Just black folks. Just want to walk right through the picture.
Because you got different versions. And even them you got to watch.
Yeah, you do.
All right. It's Collab Pro out. We'll check you out again, man. Peace.